Which smartphone gimbal is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 7. First up is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7. This gimbal caught my eye with its sleek design and the promise of 10 hours of battery life, all for about $75. If you want smooth, cinematic footage without a ton of hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Osmo Mobile 7 features a robust 3-axis stabilization system that ensures your shots remain steady, even during the most chaotic movements. It can easily handle those quick jogs or sudden turns, so you don't end up with shaky videos. And with ActiveTrack 7.0, it follows your subjects with precision, making it easier to capture that perfect moment. Plus, the built-in tripod makes solo shooting a breeze. Really, this is a solid choice for anyone who loves creating content on the go. Now, some people complained about the weight being a bit too much for long shoots. Here's the thing though, at just 300 grams, it's actually pretty lightweight compared to many others. If you're planning on marathon shooting sessions, it might feel a little tiring, but for most casual users, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a budding filmmaker or vlogger looking for professional quality results without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra portable for quick shoots. Honestly, for $75, you're getting a lot of capability here. Now, if the battery life of the Osmo Mobile 7 impressed you, the next one might really step things up. Product number 2, Hohem iSteady X3 SE. Next up is the Hohem iSteady X3 SE, priced around $54.99. The first thing that jumped out at me was its detachable remote control, which is pretty unique. If you want a gimbal that makes capturing selfies and group shots easy, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the advanced iSteady 8.0 technology. It provides ultra-smooth footage even while you're moving. This is a game changer for action shots or vlogs where you're on the go. The portability is a huge plus too. It folds down to pocket size and weighs less than a pound, making it perfect for traveling creators. Additionally, the 11-hour battery life means you can shoot all day without worrying about recharging. But I did find that some users mentioned it can struggle a bit with heavier smartphones. Here's the thing though, it has a decent payload capacity of 0.66 pounds, which should be fine for most standard smartphones. If you have a giant phone, it might feel a little unsteady, but for typical devices, it holds up well. This is perfect for you if you're new to gimbals and want something that's easy to use and affordable. Skip this one if your phone is on the heavier side or if you need professional level features. Honestly, at this price, it's a great deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Moving on to the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, which comes in at about $99. This gimbal features a nifty multi-functional module that includes lighting and audio capabilities, which caught my attention right away. If you want to level up your content creation with professional features, this is worth a serious look. The Osmo Mobile 7P offers seamless 3-axis stabilization, just like its predecessor, ensuring smooth footage. But what really sets this apart is the built-in extension rod and tripod, giving you more creative control without needing extra gear. The quick launch feature is also a massive time saver, allowing you to power on and start filming in seconds. Plus, with intelligent tracking, it keeps your subject in focus no matter how they move. However, some users found that the setup process can be a bit complex at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the features you gain are totally worth the initial learning curve. It's designed for creators who want more than just basic functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a gimbal that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you're looking for something super straightforward and easy to use right out of the box. For $99, you're investing in some serious tools for your creative arsenal. Now, if the features of the Osmo Mobile 7P sounded appealing, you'll definitely want to hear about the next product that ramps things up even further. Product number 4, DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Next, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 8, priced at $149. The first thing that struck me was its native tracking with audio and lighting, which is pretty impressive. If you want to ensure that your videos look and sound great, this is worth a serious look. The Osmo Mobile 8 features seamless 360 degrees pan rotation, allowing for immersive shots that can follow your subject effortlessly. It connects directly to your phone for quick setup, which I really appreciated. The built-in extension rod and tripod make it super versatile for everything from family gatherings to travel vlogs. With 10-hour battery life and the ability to charge your phone while filming, it's really designed for long events. However, some users reported issues with the app connectivity dropping occasionally. Here's the thing. This can happen with many smart devices. It's a minor annoyance and not a deal breaker if you're generally tech-savvy and can troubleshoot a bit. This is perfect for you if you're serious about content creation and need a reliable tool that adapts to various shooting scenarios. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without all the bells and whistles. At $149, it's definitely worth the investment for serious creators. Finally, if the Osmo Mobile 8's features impressed you, wait until you hear about the last product on my list, which might be a little different. Product number 5, GoPro Fluid Pro AI. Last but not least, we have the GoPro Fluid Pro AI, priced at $229.99. This gimbal is unique because it can work with both smartphones and GoPro cameras, which is a big deal for those who have both. If you want a gimbal that adapts to different devices while providing professional features, this is worth a serious look. What sets the Fluid Pro AI apart is its AI subject tracking, which accurately locks onto your subject's face or body. This means you can move freely and still stay in focus, perfect for dynamic filming scenarios. The built-in lighting helps enhance your shots, making them look even more professional. Plus, the 360 degrees rotation allows for creative filming angles, giving you that cinematic flair. However, some users noted that the setup can be a bit cumbersome with multiple mount options. Here's the thing though, the versatility is worth the slight inconvenience. Once you figure it out, you can shoot with a range of devices, which makes this a long-term investment. This is perfect for you if you're a hybrid creator who uses both smartphones and GoPros. Skip this one if you only need a smartphone gimbal, as it might be overkill. If you're looking for professional features that can adapt to your needs, the investment here could really pay off. So, to recap, we started with the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 for its simplicity and battery life, then moved on to the Hohem iSteady X3 SE with its budget-friendly design. After that, we checked out the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P for those added features. Next was the DJI Osmo Mobile 8, which stepped up the game even more. And finally, the GoPro Fluid Pro AI for its versatility across devices. Each one has its strengths, depending on what you're looking for. Choose wisely and happy shooting.